Hello, my name is Ashley Yeoman, and I decided to choose the theme of sea animals. In particular, I decided to choose the animal of dolphins because I love watching dolphins move in the water and I am fascinated by them and want to learn more. So, with that being said, here are some fun facts about dolphins. First, they come to the surface of the water to breathe. Another interesting fact about dolphins is that they eat fish, squid, and crustaceans. Dolphins are highly intelligent and playful, which both those go hand in hand with each other. They are also very social. They love to live in groups that hunt, play, and travel together. Dolphins' skin color is gray. Depending on where you travel to, they might be lighter or darker gray, but for the most part, they have the skin color of gray, and dolphins are known as mammals. And here are just a few pictures of the sea animal dolphin. Thank you for listening to my presentation.